There have been some complaints about the ad block feature in Avast Secure Browser not working as it should. Here's my answer to solve that problem. Go to the Security Center. Once this is opened, go to Ad Block, turn it off, go back up to the address bar, and simply add uBlock Origin to the Avast Secure Browser. Do that by going to the Chrome Web Store for uBlock Origin. Add to Chrome. You're going to get a warning. Extension guard has blocked uBlock Origin from installing, but you can override that just by checking off the box that says, I understand the risk, and select Install Anyway. Once you do that, voila, uBlock Origin has been added to Avast Secure Browser, and your ads will now be blocked by uBlock Origin. That should take care of your problem until Avast has addressed the problem, and then you can either go back to the Avast ad blocker, or you can decide to stay with uBlock Origin. That choice will be up to you. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.